All right, let's take a view here from Lee County. Earlier, this camera was a little foggy. Now we see bright sunshine across Lee County as we view the image from the Lee Theater there in Pennington Gap. Love this shot. It's a really nice view there from the downtown area of Pennington Gap. Appreciate the town helping to provide that image there. 79 degrees at the Lee County Airport right now. Calm winds out there. Visibility at 10 miles. Hour by hour planner for today. Here's what it looks like. All right, temperatures increasing this afternoon. Rain chances also increasing this afternoon. We'll see a chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms to go throughout the day, and mainly most of those should be in the mountains as we go through the next couple of hours, but can't rule out a few of them sneaking into the valleys. Here's what I mean by that. Notice the rain percentage is a little higher for parts of Johnson City and Elizabethton, areas of Carter County, Johnson County, and also Unicoi County as we go through the afternoon. Same thing for Boone and Jefferson with rain percentages higher there. For the valleys, maybe not as widespread of coverage through the early afternoon just because we've got what's known as a cap on the atmosphere, and over the mountains we got a little bit of orographic lift. That's where the wind hits against the mountains and causes the air to rise a little bit better, and so showers and storms are able to form there a little bit easier than they are in the valleys. Now, going into the evening time frame, I wouldn't be shocked if one or two valley locations see a shower or a thunderstorm move through, and some of them could have some gusty winds or even heavy rainfall associated with them, so do be mindful of that this afternoon if you're going to be out and about. Going into Thursday morning, still a couple spotty showers around through the overnight. A little bit better coverage here as we go towards lunchtime and into the early afternoon. More showers, isolated thunderstorms popping up. And once again, notice a couple oranges and reds showing up with these storms, so can't rule out some heavier downpours or even some gusty winds. Here's your highs for today: 84, 85 degrees in the Tri-Cities area. I'm predicting generally low 80s for much of northeast Tennessee, upper 70s there in Rome Mountain, and also for Boone and Jefferson, Southwest Virginia. Coming in once again in the low 80s, upper 70s in a couple spots like Norton and DeWise, but 82 for Abingdon and 81 in Lebanon this afternoon with low 80s across parts of southeast Kentucky. Tonight dropping down generally into the low to mid 60s, which is pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. Average overnight low is around 63. I want to show you this. This is just in earlier this morning from the Colorado State University Forecast Center, and you may be thinking, wait, Colorado State forecasts hurricanes? Yes, they do. In fact, they're one of the best at forecasting. You may have heard of Dr. Gray in the past. He passed a couple years ago, but now Dr. Philip Klotzbaugh has taken over that department there, and he's doing a great job predicting these hurricanes each year. So far, they're predicting 24. Now, this is important because look at the hurricane list this year. We only got 21 names on the list, folks. So if we get to 24, we're going to have to do something else. Well, what do? We go to the Greek alphabet. And we've used this before. Last time was 2005. That's the only time we've ever gone to the Greek alphabet in terms of naming storms: alpha, beta, on and on, gamma, delta. It's not a fun list to go down, and certainly something we don't want to get to, but that's what we do if we run out of names. We'll see how this season goes later. We're getting into the peak, which is typically late August into early September. All right, Friday, locally closer to home, a couple chances for some more pop-up showers and thunderstorms. I do think the weekend may be a little drier as high pressure starts to move into the area. Not saying we won't see any rain or any storms, but perhaps favoring more of the mountains as we go into the weekend time frame. Here's your 7-day forecast. You notice we're climbing up to near 90 degrees by Sunday, all right? And that's the air temperature. You combine the humidity, and that will allow for us to feel like the low to mid 90s across the area, especially as we go into Monday and Tuesday with a 30 to 40% chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms returning to the area. Overnight lows as well, dropping down into the low 60s to middle 60s through the next 7 days.